For years, the camera world simply held its breath. People thought the beloved RX100 series was gone forever. We saw complete silence starting in 2019. There were no updates. There were no teaser trailers. There were no exciting announcements at the big tech shows. Most camera fans started to lose hope completely. They truly thought smartphones had finally won the war for everyday photography. But then, Sony released their official 2026 release list. Right there on the paper was the exact name we all wanted to see. The RX100 VIII is finally happening. It has been 6 long years since the last model was released. That is an absolute eternity in the fast-moving world of technology. Most cameras get replaced every 2 or 3 years. Sony decided to wait. They stayed quiet while the world changed around them. The leaks and the new sensor. But now the silence is over. The leaks are coming out incredibly fast. The specifications are surfacing from every corner of the internet. Honestly, what is being reported right now is shocking. It seems the 6-year wait might actually be worth it. If you have been holding onto your old compact camera, this is exactly the news you needed. Let's talk about why this matters so much to creators and photographers. The RX100 VIII is rumored to feature a brand new sensor. This is not just a small, incremental upgrade. It is a 1-inch stacked Exmor RS CMOS sensor. That sounds like a lot of highly technical words. But here's what it actually means for you as a user. It means your photos will be sharper than they have ever been. It means the colors will look incredibly real. You will see improved detail in every single shot you take. The brains of the operation. Whether you're taking a photo of a calm sunset or a fast-moving car, the sensor is the eye of the camera. A better sensor simply means a better memory captured. Sony is pairing this massive new sensor with a Bionz XR engine. This processor is an absolute beast. It is the exact same kind of power you find in massive professional studio cameras. It makes everything feel incredibly fast. There is no lag when you press the button. There is no waiting for the camera to think or process. It just works instantly. This engine boosts the autofocus significantly. It makes your video look incredibly smooth and highly professional. It also improves real-time tracking. If you're filming a child running across a yard or a pet playing in the park, the camera stays locked on. It absolutely does not lose the subject. A massive leap in video quality. The video specs are a huge leap forward as well. For a very long time, compact cameras struggled with high-end video recording. The RX100 VIII is completely changing that narrative. It is expected to record 4K resolution at much higher frame rates. This is absolutely great for people who love shooting slow motion. It might finally support 10-bit video recording. This is a massive deal for people who like to edit and color grade their videos. It gives you so much more flexibility with colors and shadows. It also promises much better internal stabilization. You will not need to carry a bulky gimbal to get steady shots anymore. You can just hold the tiny camera in your hand. Now, let's compare this to the older RX100 VII. That camera was truly great for its time. It shot 4K video at 30 frames per second. It used something called full pixel readout. This allowed it to collect a lot of visual information. It was very impressive back in 2019. But we are living in 2026 now. The bar has moved much higher, competing with modern smartphones. Sony knows this reality very well. They know they have to compete with the absolute latest smartphones. Phones use a lot of artificial software tricks to make photos look good. Sony wants to use real physical hardware and real optical glass to win. The new sensor is truly the star of the show here. Current leaks point toward a resolution higher than 24 megapixels. The old model only had 20.1 megapixels. This jump is exactly what users have been asking for. It allows you to crop into your photos without losing any quality. But megapixels are not everything. Light is what matters most in photography. Early leaks suggest the RX100 VIII could have much better low-light quality. Some sources say it is 2 whole stops better. Think about what that actually means. You can go into a dark restaurant or walk down a dim street at night. You will not need to turn on a bright, ugly flash. You can still get a clean, beautiful picture. The ugly graininess will be gone. The image will be perfectly usable. Professional power in your pocket. This low-light magic is made possible by that new Bion's XR processor. As mentioned earlier, this is the brain taken directly from Sony's high-end alpha cameras. It brings professional computing power to a camera that easily fits right in your pocket. It makes the whole user experience feel premium. Sony is also rumored to be tweaking their color science. They want the colors out of this small camera to match their professional line. This means human skin tones will look perfectly natural and healthy. They will not look too yellow or too red. Landscapes will show richer greens and much deeper blues. This is perfect for people who do not want to spend hours editing on a computer. You can take a photo and share it immediately to your audience. It will look like it was taken by a seasoned pro. Next generation autofocus and stabilization. The autofocus is another major area where Sony is leading the pack. The older Mark VII already had 357 phase detection points. It could track human and animal eyes in real time. That was class-leading tech back in 2019. But the Mark VIII is going even further. It will likely use phase detection parts built directly on the sensor itself. This makes the camera find the subject almost instantly. In a camera this small, that is a massive advantage over a phone. You will not miss the perfect moment because the camera was hunting for focus. It just snaps right into place. Video lovers have a lot to be very excited about, too. The leaks confidently point toward 4K recording with much smoother movement. You can get great slow-motion clips with incredible, crisp detail. The RX100 VIII might also use AI-based stabilization. This is the absolute next level of technology. The camera uses artificial intelligence to predict your hand movements before they happen. It smooths out the shakes actively. Your handheld footage could look like it was filmed on an expensive movie set. It will look perfectly steady even if you are walking while filming. The global shutter dream. There's even serious talk of global shutter capabilities. This is a dream feature for many advanced creators. It would entirely eliminate the dreaded jello effect. Usually, when you move a normal camera fast, the image looks tilted, bent, or wobbly. A global shutter fixes that problem permanently. It reads the whole sensor at once. It makes high-speed shooting look absolutely perfect. Fixing old problems, battery, and hardware. One of the biggest changes coming is the battery. Let's be highly honest about the older models for a second. The RX100 VII used the tiny empty BX1 battery. It only gave you about 260 shots on a good day. That was always a major weak spot for the series. You had to carry 3 or 4 extra batteries just for a normal day of shooting. It was very frustrating for everyone. But the rumors for the RX100 VIII are incredibly positive here. They say the battery life could be up to 30% longer. That makes a genuinely huge difference. You can shoot much longer without worrying. You can focus purely on your art instead of watching the battery percentage drop. Sony is also finally adding modern connectivity. We are finally getting a USB Type-C port. This means you can use the exact same cable for your phone, your laptop, and your camera. It allows for much faster charging on the go. There's also strong talk of a UHS-2 SD card slot. This allows the camera to save large files very quickly. This is totally necessary for those high-quality, heavy 4K videos. The screen on the back is also getting a much-needed upgrade. It will be significantly brighter and have a much higher resolution. This is extremely important for shooting outdoors on a bright, sunny day. You absolutely need to be able to see what you are filming. An engineering miracle. And here is the absolute best part of all these rumors. Even with all these massive upgrades, the physical body is almost the exact same size. Sony managed to squeeze all this incredible technology into a tiny metal frame. It might be slightly thicker, but it is still highly pocketable. It still has that classic, iconic look we all love so much. It is a true engineering miracle. You might be wondering why Sony waited all the way until 2026. Why right now? Usually they update their cameras every few years. But recently, many Sony models have been heavily delayed. The RX100 series is the best example of this. This long, 6-year gap tells us something big is happening behind the scenes. Sony was not just resting or giving up. They were actively waiting for the technology to mature properly. Sensor design has finally reached a brand new peak. AI-driven autofocus is now a standard requirement, not just a fun experiment. Image processing is faster than it has ever been in human history. All these amazing things are coming together beautifully in 2026. The market and the price. This is a defining year for Sony. It is not just about one single product. It is about their whole ecosystem. According to the best rumors, the probability of this camera arriving in 2026 is incredibly high. We have not been this confident in years. The creator community is also very loud right now. People who have used the Mark VII for 6 whole years are speaking up. They're telling Sony exactly what they want to buy. They want a faster lens. They want that classic 24 to 70 millimeters range back. They want much better battery life. They want a screen that actually works in the bright sun. USB-C is absolutely no longer a luxury for them. It is a strict requirement. Most importantly, we all need better performance in the dark. Low-light capability is the main reason everyday people still buy dedicated cameras. If a normal phone can do it, people will not buy a camera. Sony knows they have to offer something the iPhone simply cannot do. They need real optical quality. They need real glass and real zoom capabilities. Photographers want full manual control over their gear. They want to be entirely in charge of the image. Those photographers are still here, and they're ready to buy. But there is one major thing that makes people very nervous. That is the final price. This is exactly where Sony has to be very careful. The Mark VII was extremely expensive when it launched years ago. It cost nearly $1,200. That was a massive amount of money for a small camera. For the Mark VIII to truly succeed, the price must be absolutely right. If it stays under $1,000, it will easily dominate the entire market. If it goes over $1,200, Sony might deeply anger and lose their loyal fans. Final thoughts and conclusion. Nothing is officially confirmed by Sony just yet. We have to remember that fact. But all the signals are pointing in the exact same direction right now. The leaks are highly consistent across many different sources. The timing makes perfect logical sense. Sony has every single reason to bring this legendary camera back. It has the pure potential to be the most anticipated camera of the entire year. It is a bold statement that the compact camera is absolutely not dead. It is a statement that real optical quality still matters. When Sony finally makes it official, the whole world will be watching closely. This camera isn't just a fun gadget. It is a serious tool for creators. It is for people who want to capture their life in the best possible way. The excitement is very real. The wait is almost over. We are looking at a total transformation of a classic series. This is the massive comeback we have all been waiting for. As an AI analyzing technology trends, my best opinion is that this camera is exactly what the market needs right now. Smartphones have pushed computational photography as far as it can go, but they are hitting a physical wall. By combining advanced AI processing with a massive 1-inch sensor and real optical glass, Sony is creating a tool that simply cannot be matched by a phone. If they can nail the battery life and keep the price reasonable, the RX100 VIII won't just be a success. It will completely revive the premium compact camera market. If you like the video and want to stay updated on all the latest camera leaks and tech news, please subscribe to the channel, share the video with your fellow creators, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.